Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all. Today we're gonna present to you about the topic integration of building information modeling BIM and augmented reality AR for facility management FM. So, facility management is a multiple disciplinary approach that integrates people, place, process, and technology. In the recent years, building information modeling has been introduced to the FM sectors, where this seems like a huge opportunity in terms of cost saving and also improved efficiency in the building life cycle. However, the current contribution of BIM in the FM could be more robust. But due to its limiting level of interaction between the virtual and reality, this has caused a challenge for FM in terms of visualization. Thus, by introducing a new computing technology, augmented reality, into the existing BIM system can help to overcome the problem by bridging the BIM model and the physical situation. Building information modeling is the process of developing and using 3D representation of building objects with their related properties and relationship with other things in a building. So BIM can benefit in many ways, including utilizing the digital databases, interrelated databases, and also store information that can be used later by other parties. However, the contribution that the technology can make in the field world is limited because there's only so much contact that can take place between the real and the virtual world. Therefore, the research examined the credibility of augmented reality and BIM integration in facility management, especially in building maintenance. Moving along to our next slide is about research problem, aim and objective. Firstly, on research problem, the contribution of BIM in FM is limited in terms of visualization between the virtual and the actual world. Thus, by incorporating alternative computing technologies such as augmented reality into existing BIM system can help resolving these issues to connect the BIM model to the real situation. Next, on the research aim, the aim of this study is to explore the successful factors in using augmented reality for building maintenance. And the objectives are to determine the level of awareness of augmented reality in building maintenance, to examine the potential of augmented reality adoption in the building maintenance. The significance of this research reveal the current building maintenance practices by bridging the augmented reality and building information modeling in the scope of work of facility management. The study's findings will identify the AR success factors to improve the knowledge in building maintenance practice. The research methodology employed in this study is purely qualitative research. So, in primary data, we gathered using semi-structured interviews with the chosen respondent. So, a total of 5 respondents are to be interviewed, and the selection is based on their expertise in their respective field, such as involvement in facility management, augmented reality, developers, BIM expert, building maintenance management, and with at least 10 years of work experience. And the secondary data that is collected is from the reading material including book, journal, article, magazine, newspaper, guideline, acts, and reports. Moving along to our next slides is about the findings of this research. Firstly, the factors that influence building maintenance failure require the intervention of augmented reality and building information modeling. It is found that the organization attitude cannot postpone work orders and must complete a given task. There could be no delays and backlogs. The workers and staff must always be trained with the most recent software and technology development. Spread to the client about the awareness of AR in building maintenance. Next, knowledge and level of understanding of BIM. So, according to this semi-structured interview, most respondents are competent and expert in BIM, and most respondents have participated in at least one endeavor or job requiring using BIM, and most of them has work experience that is more than 15 years or more. Next finding is about the knowledge of level of understanding of AR and also integration of BIM in AR. So most of the respondents are aware the existence of augmented reality technology, and they are aware that the technology can be utilized in maintenance of buildings. So most respondents provided positive feedback regarding the level of awareness regarding the potential of AR in BIM interaction in building maintenance. But however, they have yet to directly apply or utilize them in the line of their work. In addition, the findings also extend to the opinion of the interviewees that AR can be adopted in building maintenance, and also the issues and challenges of AR in BIM adoption. So all participants agreed that merging augmented realities and BIM is doable. So excellent level of talent and understanding can be discovered in our country that the AR developer and BIM industries. So the issues and challenges regarding to AR and BIM adoption is about the initial cost of software and hardware. Building owners and clients will not be interested with the latest technology. The level of BIM knowledge still needs to be improved among the industrial players. Awareness in the industry could be higher. Last but not least, on the finding of raising awareness about integration of BIM and AR. So, supporting investment from industry players is important to enhance the adoption of AR in BIM. Secondly, through education level in the universities, that the potential and the benefit that could be reaped in managing a buildings. And also demand from industry, and lastly there must be an enforcement such as renewing the service provider's license, and the contractors must provide an added value such as competency certificate for employees involved in AR and BIM. So the data obtained from interview session is beneficial because average respondent has been directly involved in the work involving building maintenance and has used BIM application. So most of them are with an experience 15 years or more. However, there are so many factors affecting the failure of building maintenance. With introducing or intervention of augmented reality AR and building information modeling, the problem could be solved and make maintenance process more efficient. So moving along to our next slide on the discussion, there's so many factors that contribute to the lack of awareness and the benefit of advantage of augmented reality in building maintenance, such as the organization is concerned about the cost increase if augmented reality and BIM are to be adopted. The level of BIM knowledge and augmented reality still need to be improved among the industrial players. Building owners will not be interested in the latest technology due to costs, and they are more comfortable with the conventional way of delivering their services. Steps must be taken to ensure that a certain level of awareness will raise among the industrial players, such as through education, collaboration, and investment. Last but not least, as for the conclusion, this research has accomplished its aim and objective. It has analyzed the level of awareness of augmented realities in building maintenance and the potential of augmented reality adoption in building maintenance. The findings of this research provide a general summary of AR and BIM adoption on building maintenance perspective, and the integration of AR and BIM success factors that enhance building maintenance practices. The result of this research provide a new awareness to the facility management industry, especially building maintenance, about the latest technology using AR and also BIM. However, this technology has yet to be fully mature and explored, but has the excellent potential in the future in handling building maintenance even more efficiently and effective. There is potential for additional research to continue this development and contribute to sharing ideas, opinions, and knowledge regarding to this issue. So that is all for our presentation for today, and thank you